Komachielo ni David Ndakwa Madun bura mar UDA olandi kaka jaloch e yiero e kom od bura ma Malava e kaunti ma Kakamega tok yudo kwan omenda maromo 21,000 tok yudo kwan ombulu maromo 21,564 noluwe machiegni kod Seth Panyako manoyudo kwan ombulu 20,210 eka Ndakwa nowuoyo tok yange jaloch nokwayo joma ne laro kode komno mondo ti kode machiegni. Duokogo nolandi kod returning officer Salim Abdalla Salim.
I now declare Mr. David Athman Ndakwa as officially has been elected the official MP of Malava constituency. And in that connection, Mheshimiwa, kindly come forward and pick your certificate. You can hold it like this. You are officially elected the AP of Malava constituency.
Mimi nataka kuambia watu wa Malava kwamba Malava ni moja, na mimi kama kiongozi wao, Mungu atakuwa mbele, watu wa Malava watakuwa katikati, mimi nitakuwa nyuma kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna mtu wa Malava yoyote mwenye anapaki nyuma. Na ninawahakikishia ya kwamba ile miradi Mheshimiwa Malulu Injendi aliwacha kama amepanga kufanyia watu wa Malava, nitahakikisha nimeimaliza kwanza ndio niempak kwa zile zangu zenye nesa.